25 years ago, our journey began with a clear vision to build with quality, trust, and purpose. Reaching this milestone reminds us of the trust our clients place in us and the responsibility we carry forward. Over the years, we have delivered successful projects and earned the confidence of our clients through consistency and dedication. With every project we undertake, we strive to exceed expectations and create lasting value for our clients. Every milestone reflects our commitment to excellence, teamwork, and innovation. Setting new benchmarks, introducing global excellence to our local market. For the first time in Pakistan, we are bringing world-class international brands closer to you, redefining quality and innovation. A historic step forward, connecting Pakistan with international standards of trust, style, and performance. Thank you for being part of our journey. Today, we proudly celebrate 25 years of experience, growth, and achievement. Wishing you a very happy new year. From Raza Design Studios.